Our solar system, a sprawling cosmic neighborhood of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets orbiting the sun, has captivated humanity for millennia. From the stargazers of ancient civilizations to the scientists launching probes into deep space, we've uncovered countless wonders. Yet, even with centuries of exploration and cutting-edge technology, mysteries persist. Some are famous, debated in classrooms and documentaries, while others linger in the shadows, quietly challenging our understanding of the cosmos. In this video, we'll venture beyond the well-trodden tales to explore some of the solar system's lesser-known enigmas, each a puzzle waiting to be solved. Famous mysteries. Setting the stage, before diving into the obscure, let's briefly touch on a few of the solar system's most celebrated mysteries. The origin of the moon, for instance, remains a topic of fascination. The prevailing theory posits that a Mars-sized object, often called Theia, collided with Earth billions of years ago, flinging debris into orbit that eventually formed our lunar companion. Yet, uncertainties about the collision's details and the moon's composition keep the debate alive. Similarly, the possibility of life on Mars tantalizes scientists and dreamers alike. Ancient riverbeds, polar ice caps, and fleeting detections of methane in the atmosphere hint at a planet that once harbored water, and perhaps life. Current missions scour the red planet for clues, but definitive answers remain elusive. These familiar riddles are just the beginning. Let's now turn to some lesser-known mysteries that are equally intriguing. 1. The Pioneer Anomaly. In the 1970s, NASA's Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecraft embarked on groundbreaking journeys to explore the outer planets and beyond. After passing Jupiter and Saturn, they continued toward interstellar space, until scientists noticed something odd. Both probes were decelerating more than expected, defying predictions based on gravity and known forces. This phenomenon, dubbed the Pioneer Anomaly, sparked decades of speculation. Could it signal a new law of physics, or an unseen gravitational pull? After years of analysis, researchers largely attributed the slowdown to thermal radiation. Heat emitted unevenly from the spacecraft, acting like a tiny break. Yet some data points remain unexplained, leaving a faint whisper of doubt. Has this mystery truly been laid to rest, or does it still hold secrets? 2. Planet 9. Far beyond Neptune, in the dark fringes of the solar system, a hidden world may await discovery. Astronomers have proposed the existence of Planet 9, a massive body several times the size of Earth, based on the peculiar orbits of distant Kuiper Belt objects. These icy remnants appear to cluster in ways that suggest a gravitational nudge from an unseen planet, orbiting hundreds of times farther from the Sun than Earth does. Despite tantalizing evidence, Planet 9 remains a phantom. No telescope has yet captured it. Some skeptics argue the orbital patterns could have other explanations, like the collective pull of smaller objects. If it exists, finding this elusive giant could reshape our understanding of how the solar system formed and evolved. 3. Oumuamua, the interstellar visitor. In October 2017, a strange object streaked through our solar system, catching astronomers by surprise. Named Oumuamua, Hawaiian for scout or messenger, it was the first confirmed interstellar visitor, originating beyond our sun's domain. Its elongated, cigar-like shape and reddish hue were unusual, but even more puzzling was its behavior. As it departed, Oumuamua accelerated in a way that defied simple gravitational expectations. Theories abound. Was it a fragment of a shattered planet? A chunk of frozen hydrogen? Or, as some boldly speculated, an alien artifact? Most scientists favor natural explanations, like outgassing jets propelling it forward, yet no single hypothesis fully accounts for its quirks. Oumuamua has since vanished from view, leaving us with a cosmic riddle. 4. Subsurface oceans of Europa and Enceladus. Beneath the icy shells of Jupiter's moon. Europa, and Saturn's moon. Enceladus, vast oceans may ripple in darkness. These hidden waters, warmed by tidal forces from their parent planets, could stretch deeper than Earth's seas. For astrobiologists, they represent prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial life, environments where microbes might thrive, far from sunlight. But mysteries abound. How salty or acidic are these oceans? What minerals line their floors? Could they harbor ecosystems, or are they sterile? Probing these worlds is a daunting challenge. Any mission must penetrate thick ice without contaminating what lies beneath. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission and proposed Enceladus studies aim to peel back these icy veils, but for now, the answers remain submerged. The moon's far side. The moon's familiar face, adorned with dark maria, basaltic plains formed by ancient lava flows, greets us nightly. Yet, its far side, forever turned away from Earth, tells a different story. Covered in craters and lacking maria, it's a rugged contrast to the near side's smoother visage. Why this stark divide? One hypothesis suggests the far side's crust is thicker, stifling volcanic activity that shaped the near side. Another posits that a massive impact on the near side triggered lava flows, while the far side bore the brunt of cosmic bombardment. China's Chang'e 4 mission, the first to land on the far side in 2019, has begun unraveling its geology, but the full tale of this lunar enigma is still unfolding. The quest for answers. These mysteries are not static. They evolve as we probe deeper into space. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, offers unprecedented views of distant objects, potentially aiding the hunt for Planet 9, or spotting more interstellar visitors like Oumuamua. Meanwhile, missions like the Europa Clipper, set to launch in the 2020s, will scrutinize Europa's ice and plumes, seeking clues to its ocean's habitability. Similar efforts for Enceladus are in discussion. On Earth, advances in data analysis and simulations revisit old puzzles. The Pioneer anomaly, for instance, benefits from modern computational tools, re-examining decades-old telemetry. Each step forward, whether through telescopes, probes, or ingenuity, brings us closer to cracking these cosmic codes. Conclusion. The solar system, our celestial backyard, is a realm of endless wonder. From the subtle drift of spacecraft to the unseen tug of a distant planet, from alien intruders to hidden oceans, these lesser-known mysteries remind us how much remains unknown. As we dispatch new missions and refine our tools, we chip away at the shadows, revealing glimpses of truth. Yet, with every discovery, fresh questions emerge, ensuring that the solar system's secrets will captivate us for generations to come. Stay curious. The cosmos is still whispering its tales.